Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and you're watching Shrektech. And so today guys we are unboxing this Bluetooth MI audio receiver guys. It's from the Xiaomi company. Basically it's worth 1000 rupees, so it's really worth guys. It's gonna give you the fully same audio which you listen when you actually are connected to your phone. So guys, before unboxing this thing, let's go to the question. So why do we need this Bluetooth audio receiver? So basically guys, it's for those who just listen to the random musics. It's really amazing experience with wired to wireless. Like, it's gonna make your earphones or headphones wired into wireless, so it's another amazing thing. And so guys, the thing is, it's really worth buying this, because when you're actually connected to your phone you have problems like, you know, tangling wires and all this stuff. But whereas it comes to Bluetooth, it's really convenient guys. It's gonna give you the same audio which you're always connected to your phone or your tablet or your laptop. So it's really amazing audio experience with this. So let's get this thing unboxed. Basically this packing doesn't has any seal on this, so you get this box unsealed actually, so no seal for this. So yeah, here I go, unboxing. And this packing is really amazing guys, but I didn't like the scratches on the pack, which, you know, get some kind of a cheaper look. Yeah, so guys, this is what we are talking about. This is the MI audio receiver. It's really small, it's convenient, its glossy white look is really amazing on this thing, and it has a one button multi-touch thing, and you know, you can just accept calls, reject calls, or yeah, you can even change your tracks of your songs. So it's really amazing. And the playtime is guys, it has 5 hours playtime, and the battery capacity is 95 mAh battery. With this you're gonna charge only for 1.5 hours, and it gives you 4 to 5 backup playtime. So it's really amazing thing. And normally guys, it has a 3.5 jack on the top, and the below is you get the type B charger, which is also, you know, available in everywhere. Your phone, you're charging your phone with a type B charger. But yeah, it's really convenient purchase. And yes guys, you see there's a clip back of it. You can just clip it in your clothes or somewhere else. It's really convenient way of just turning wire into wireless. So it's really amazing. It has got 4.2 Bluetooth version, which does not let your connections get interrupted between the music or something else. It's really amazing guys. But yeah, when you're on the call, it's gonna change your voice a bit. So yeah, for the call I don't recommend for this Bluetooth audio receiver while you're on the call. But yeah, it's really convenient guys. It can connect to your car, or you can just connect it to your home theater, or your, you know, you can just connect it. You can actually pair 2 devices at once, but it's gonna play from one device only. So it's really another amazing thing guys. And the price is, which is only 1000 rupees. Actually this thing is bought in the MI store. So music, so let's turn it on. So you can see the blue light popping up. It's starting to pair, and now comes the real pairing. Yeah, this one, the blue and red light now it's emitting is actually the pairing time. So you have to switch on your Bluetooth so that it gets paired up, and it's really fast pairing guys. It's amazing. It's going to be pairing up with like 2 seconds. It's really fast, and it's really convenient guys. It's portable, it's, you know, rechargeable. It's 3.5 jack, gives, you know, multi things, like it's everywhere. 3.5 is actually the normal standard you know, audio jack or the aux. So it's really amazing. So yeah, before that, let's check what's inside the box guys. Okay, so guys, here you are. We have the user manual along with the aux to aux cable. But yeah, you might be wondering guys, why didn't they give an USB charger for this? Actually MI is putting an effort to reduce e-waste. So actually you can see a lot of houses have, you know, type B chargers. It's everywhere around the world. So it's really easy and convenient to charge these kind of devices, because it's type B charger. It's the another standard charging thing, so it's available everywhere. So another thing. But yeah, this thing, it's gonna be useful for anything. actually. Yeah. Never used it, but yeah, this thing is really convenient, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna switch it off right now, and there you go, switched off. So guys, another function of this MI Bluetooth audio receiver is, if you didn't if you turn on your device on the audio receiver, especially if you turn your audio receiver, and actually if it didn't get paired up within 1 minute, it's gonna auto turn off to save your battery. So that's another amazing thing of this device. Along with that, guys, it has amazing features. It gives the same amount of bass when you're actually connected to your phone. So that's really amazing thing. And yes guys, now the disadvantages. So one disadvantage is you have to control your volume up and down manually through your phone, but whereas this doesn't has any of the volume buttons, so you cannot reduce or increase volume with this device. But whereas with your phone, yes, you can reduce or increase volume. That's another disadvantages of this device. And yes guys, this is really amazing Bluetooth audio receiver. If you want to buy this, its link is below in my description, so go check it out. And yes guys, please buy my merchandise, it's in the description again. So you can buy it on teespring.com/store/Shrektech. So yeah, the link is again in the description below. Go check it out guys, and hope you have a nice weekend. Have a nice day guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you liked it, share it, and yes, of course, smash the subscribe button please. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Have a nice day. And you are watching Shrektech.